Brace yourself. We are inside a furnace of fire. Take this prayer serious.
The way we start this 50 days will determine the way we are going to end it.
That is an opening in the spirit like a gate. This is a fortune center. It's not a normal place.
Can I tell you something? Anytime a man enters a new season, God will give you another name. The Bible said, for every man that overcame, a white stone will be given to them, and a name in that stone that only them knows. Say after me, Lord, from this night, let the mystery of my new name be unveiled. An excellent sacrifice is the sacrifice that goes beyond the immediate and sees a substance in the realm of God. Any sacrifice that does not capture a substance in the realm of God is simply wasted. So when men like David will come and say, I will not enter into the tabernacle of my house until I've built a house for God, that I've heard of him, his ark in Ephrata in the woods. He said, I will not give sleep to my eyelids, nor slumber to my eyes, until I find a resting place for the God of Jacob. That man has made his life a divine project.